Hi, I'm Ian and I'm a member of Hema's Alpha Mapping program. In this video, I'll show you how to update your Hema Nav software. Hema is committed to providing quarterly updates for this software, and it's recommended that you update to ensure that you have the latest map data and the latest version of the Hema Nav software. Let's start on the home screen of your device. You'll notice an updates icon on the lower left of the home screen. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, this icon will feature a red circle with a number shown. This confirms that there are updates available to download. Tap on the updates icon to enter the updates menu. If your device isn't connected to Wi-Fi, you'll be prompted to connect, so tap on the Open Wi-Fi Settings button. Now tap on the Use Wi-Fi heading and wait for the available networks to appear and select the Wi-Fi connection that you're going to use. If you haven't connected to this network before, you will require the network's password. Once a Wi-Fi connection is established, return to the updates page by pressing on the back button. You can now scroll down the page, noting the updates highlighted in orange. You must follow a sequence to ensure these downloads load correctly. Start with the Hema Update Manager first, followed by the Hema Launcher. After updating these, there is no particular order in which to download the remaining updates. To update, simply tap the highlighted update, allowing it to download, then press Install. You will then see a notification asking for confirmation that you would like to install. Confirm this. Allow the update time to install, then press Done. Follow this sequence for each update. You may find that the unit requires you to restart or to return to the home page following an update. If this is the case, follow the same procedure, starting with the updates icon on the home screen. You can find more update information in the knowledge base on hemamaps.com. I hope this video has been informative, and thanks for watching.